In this video, we will present the shaping tools. You can find the available shaping tools under the Shaping section on the standard toolbar. The shaping tools are only visible when you have multiple objects selected. Click on the shaping icon to view the available tools. The Weld tool takes all the selected shapes and makes them one with one outside boundary. The new object has the fill and outline properties of the last selected object, which has a magenta outline. In this case, the green part is the one with the magenta outline, so the new object has the look of the green part. Now, if we select the objects in a different order, the red part will have the magenta outline, so the new object will have the properties of the red part. Using the Weld tool, you can create bizarre shapes. It is not necessary for the objects to overlap. When welding non-overlapping objects, it is like combining them. A new object is created, and this object acts as one with sub-objects that have the same attributes. So any change affects all sub-objects. In this case, you can also separate them using the break apart option. The produced objects will retain the same attributes. Using Trim, you can create holes on objects and reshape them by moving parts. You can only trim objects that overlap partially or entirely. Let's make a hole on top of the circle. The object that is underneath will be trimmed. The area that was covered by the symbol was removed from the circle. Trimming objects is an easy way to create bizarre vector designs. Finally, using the Intersect tool, you can create new shapes with the shape of the common overlapping part. Select these two drops that are overlapping and choose the Intersect tool. Now, a new object will be created with the size of the common area of the selected objects. Likewise, if you select all these 4 objects, the intersection will be the piece that is common in all 4 objects. This new object will have the color and the properties of the object that is on top.